In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple and effective habit tracker using Notion forms. This is perfect if you want an easy way to track daily habits like journaling, running, sleep, or meditation, all in one place without starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a ready-to-use habit tracker inside your Notion workspace that you can customize anytime. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Notion dashboard. This is the main home screen you see when you log into Notion. From here, you'll have access to all your pages, databases, and tools. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion provides templates created by Notion and the community, and it's the fastest way to get started with structured systems like habit trackers. After the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in Habit Tracker. You'll see several templates appear, ranging from simple trackers to more advanced systems. Scroll through the results and click on the habit tracker that you like. For this tutorial, we're going to use Notion's own provided habit tracker, since it's clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. Once you're on the template page, click on the Add button. Notion will then ask where you want to add this template. Go ahead and click on Add to Private. This will add the habit tracker directly to your private workspace, so only you can see and edit it. After the template is added, navigate to the Habit Tracker page in your workspace. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a list of habits already set up for you, along with checkboxes that make daily tracking quick and easy. Now let's start using it. Inside the Habit Tracker, locate the habit for journaling and check it off for today. This is how you'll log that you completed that habit. Next, check off running. This could represent a workout, a walk, or any physical activity you define as running. Then check 8 hours of sleep. This habit helps you stay consistent with rest and recovery, and checking it daily builds awareness around your sleep patterns. After that, check meditation. This could be a short session or a longer practice, depending on your routine. You can continue adding, removing, or renaming habits at any time to match your lifestyle and goals. And that's it. You've successfully built and started using a habit tracker in Notion using forms and templates. This system makes it incredibly easy to stay consistent, visualize your progress, and build better habits over time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.